Hey, what's up, guys? This is Buckeye Fan 21X. This is my fireworks stash for 2010. Spent about $950. Got a couple assortments, a bunch of cakes. You can see these are two big, huge boxes full of cakes. There's number 500 gram repeater. The best probably repeater, 200 gram repeater that I have is probably the Power Cell. Those things are badass, along with the Silver Sonic Warhead. Lighting the Fury Falcon plus the Wild West shot is really good. Got a couple number 300s. These are all my big 500 gram repeaters. Got Molten Core,